Hey food lovers, welcome back again to my channel. Today I'm so excited to share with you how I make this soft, fluffy and delicious Ghana sweet buns recipe. These homemade buns are golden outside and light on the inside. So guys, let's get started. In a bowl, I'll go in with my evaporated milk. I then went in with my sugar. I added my vanilla and pineapple flavor. You can use any flavor of your choice. I then went ahead to stir everything until the sugar melts. After that, I will set this aside. I will also leave the measurements of the ingredients in the description box below. In another bowl, I went in with my dry ingredients. The first, I went in with my flour. I added some nut milk, baking powder, and I also went in with some salt. I will mix everything all together. If today is your first time of seeing this channel, this is Getty Cooks and you are welcome to my channel. We make anything related to food recipes here. If you like what you are seeing, kindly subscribe. Okay, at this point I went in with my margarine. If you have butter, you can also use it. They all work perfectly. So I'm going to rub the margarine into the flour by using my fingertips, and I will do this until I get a bread crumbs texture. And I just want to thank my returning subscribers. Thank you guys so much for coming back to watch my video. To my new subscribers, you guys are so amazing. Okay, fam, so at this point I then went in with my wet ingredients, and I will be adding it gradually and then also mix it until I get the desired consistency I'm looking for. Thank you so much. If you are still watching up to this time, please don't forget to give this video a like and also share and subscribe if you have not yet subscribed to my channel. You can follow me on Facebook and also watch my short videos on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube short as well. The name is Get Cooks and it is totally free. Okay, fam, so as you can see, after adding the wet ingredients into my dry ingredient, I will mix everything, and that is what you are seeing now. And I'll mix until I get the desired consistency I'm going in for. Alright fam, so after adding our wet ingredient, this is how the dough texture is. The texture should be between soft and stiff, and this consistency is perfect for our sweet bag recipe. And I went ahead to mold it off camera. So whilst doing that, I also went ahead to heat up my oil, and after some few minutes I dropped just a little to see how hot, and whilst it was hot I went in with my roughly molded sweet bud, and I would stir this continuously to avoid other side of getting burnt. So one thing too, you shouldn't overcrowd your sweet bar. Just adding it a little is okay. So I will stir this periodically, and that is what I'm doing now. So at this point, we have fried the sweet bar. Just look at the perfect golden color, guys. Just look at how it turned out. This it's so perfect, and you will love it when you try this. So I will just take this out from the oil and let it rest on the paper towel to get rid of any excess oil from the sweet bud. So after taking everything from the fire, I will just repeat the process for the other badges to also fry beautifully. So now we start with our second batch, and that is what I'm adding into the hot oil. Okay, so this sweet buns recipe is a perfect idea for breakfast, tea time, or even as a tasty snack on its own. And with just a few ingredients, you can make this snack at the comfort of your home. And guys, just look at how simple this is. You will love it when you give this recipe a try. Alright, lovelies, just look at the final outcome of our Ghana sweet buns recipe. This came out so perfect, guys, and let's check how soft our sweet bun looks from the inside, guys. Just look at this. This came out so perfect, crunchy on the outside and so soft from the inside. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in my next one.